So it's currently 8:13 right now, and I want to clean my whole entire house in 2 hours. I don't know how that's going to happen or how that's possible, but we're going to make it happen because I'm visiting my mom in a few days in Nicaragua and I want to come back to a nice, clean home. There's nothing better than knowing that you left your house clean before going on a trip. So that's why we're going to do it right now. The good thing that's going to save us time is that my room is already clean, but I do need to tackle a lot of laundry, dishes. I need to clean my bathroom. I need to clean the living room. I need to mop and sweep the floors. So let's see how long this takes me. We're gonna start with the kitchen because it is a mess and I hate seeing my kitchen be so messy. I have all of my cute little beads and stuff and yarn for when I was trying to do knitting and it didn't work out. But I do want to start doing more like cute little bookmarks with the beads and add little accessories to my phone. So I'm going to come back to this when I get back from my trip. I don't know why I have this random lemon just out. These boxes, I'm just gonna put to the side because they are for my mom and I'm gonna take them on my trip, so I need to go put these away. I already took out the trash earlier, which is also gonna save me time right now. I feel like I'm kind of in a hurry, but not really. I guess I just wanna make sure I go to bed early because I have work tomorrow in the morning, so that's why I'm trying to hurry up. I need to throw some food away that I know is gonna go bad by the time I come back. This is really gross. This is matcha from like 2 days ago that I didn't finish and was in my fridge. Some more trash that needs to be thrown away. The counter is finally empty, so it's time to clean this first. The counter is done. Now it's time to wash the dishes, which is my least favorite part. I'm gonna put these to wash along with some of my other little carpets. And this. This is what my sink is looking like so far. Very gross. And I cleaned the stove the other day and my sponge looks so dirty. So this needs to go in the trash. I need to watch something too while I do the dishes because this is really difficult for me to do. My little matcha corner. I want to add like a little shelf, but I don't really have enough space, so this is just what I have for now. It feels so nice knowing that my kitchen is clean, and I need to get better at just washing my dishes as soon as I use them, which I do pretty often, but just lately, I don't know, I just haven't had any motivation to clean, and I'm just now finally getting out of this funk. I think those dishes have been sitting there for like 4 days, but it's okay. We're not here to judge, right? You're not judging me. Now that my kitchen is all clean, we need to do the bathroom, which I truly hate cleaning the bathroom. I genuinely think that's my least favorite to clean out of everything in my house is the bathroom. I hate cleaning the shower. I hate cleaning the toilet. It's just, I don't like it. It's only 9:36 and I started cleaning at 8, so it's not that bad, but I still have a lot to do. And tomorrow I just want to focus on packing because I haven't even packed yet. And I'm working all day tomorrow. I'm just hoping that I'm done before 12. Enough yapping, let's get started with the bathroom now. I'm so glad that that is over with. And now I'm gonna vacuum and mop everything before I start folding my clothes. So now I have all these clothes to fold and I am finally going to be done, and my light might die. So if my light changes a little bit, that's why. I'm finally done and I'm finished right before 12, which I am so proud of myself for like sticking through this, because this was really a mental thing for me. I really did not want to do it. I was supposed to go eat with my uncle and I never say no to that, but I said no to that today so I could film 2 videos in one day. So I am so proud of myself. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope it gave you a little motivation to clean your room or to clean your space, whatever it is. I love watching these videos because it really does motivate me. I'll see you guys in my next video.